Hi guys, this is Kwok, and today I prepared GRE Quantitative Reasoning 35th question. The category is comparison, and the specific theme could be arithmetic or algebraic representation, or transformation from the sentences. As we always do, I will give you first of all 3 minutes, then pause the video, read the specific questions on your sheet of paper, and with a pencil, please think about your own formulation and compare quantity A and quantity B. Let's get it, guys. Alright, how was the question? Let's read the question one more time and underline important word first of all. Machine R, working alone at a constant rate, produces K units of a product in 30 minutes. And machine S, working alone at a constant rate, produces K units of the product in 48 minutes. So first of all, from like a 4 phrases, what we can figure out is there is machine R, and then the other one is machine S. And we can figure out K units of produced product in 30 minutes, and the rate, there is the word, keyword rate. So we can think about the velocity to make something. So as we talked about before, velocity is right now to make a K unit 30 minutes. About machine R, about machine S, to make K unit, it takes 48 minutes. How can we write down the velocity like this way? Because as we talked about, distance equals velocity multiplied by time. And then also the quantity of product equals the velocity of the machine multiplied by how it takes time. So it's the same way. That's why we could write our own formulation like this way. Did you get it? Yes, right. And after that, let's think about the next one, where K is a positive integer. K is a positive integer. And we can compare quantity A and quantity B. First of all, quantity A. The number of units of product that machine R, working alone at its constant rate, produces 4 hours. And then quantity B is the number of unit of product that machine S, working alone at its constant rate, produces 4 hours. Which means we have to compare the number of unit or the quantity of unit that only R makes or only S makes for 4 hours. The time is also equals. So what we can do right now, let's think about it slowly. About quantity A, as the space is limited, I'm going to write down here with the orange color. The number of unit of machine R could be the product, means the velocity multiplied by time. So in other words, we already found out velocity, K units, 30 minute multiply time is 4 hours. But 4 hours is 240 minutes. Is that correct? Yes, right. So in that case, minute could be reduced together, offset together, and then 30, 60, 2. And then 8K units. So quantity A is 8K units. 8K units. And let's move on to quantity B. As it could be confused, I'm going to use color green. Let's think about quantity B. It's about machine S. Machine S is, it's the same way, velocity multiplied by time. And the velocity was K units divided by 48 minutes. Multiply by time. Time is 4 hours. And 4 hours equals 240 minutes. Minute, and then 12, and then 5. So it could be 5K unit. 5K unit. 5K unit. So quantity B is 5K unit. Quantity A, we already found that here, is 8K units. So which is larger, quantity A or quantity B? Of course, quantity A is larger because we should be careful. K is a positive integer. K is a positive integer, so there is a specific condition, so we don't have to worry about it. And then it can A, because choice A means quantity A is larger than B. So A is correct, incorrect, B is incorrect, C is also incorrect because C means quantity A is the same as quantity B. D as Dallas is also incorrect because D means we cannot figure out the correct answer from the given sentences. So A is the correct answer. So how is the question, guys? Is it too difficult? It could be difficult, however, if you just follow, first of all, if you just understand the sentences and then analyze well, I think you can make your own formulation easily. So as the second practice, I'm going to change the number here, like 3 hours. Then why don't you think about it by yourself, guys? I will give you 2 minutes and then please come back to this video again after pausing and then solve by yourself. Let's get it, guys. Okay, guys, then what is the answer? What is the answer? Let's think about it together. Only this number was changed, so let's think about it. Quantity A is anyway they are asking the product, the number of product. So it could be velocity multiplied by time, and then the time was 180 minutes. And then velocity of the machine A was K unit divided by 30 minutes. So offset together 6K unit is quantity A. What about quantity B? Even though we already know the number, let's do it again. K unit divided by 48 minutes multiplied by 4 hours means 4 multiplied by 60 So 240 minutes. It's a minute. I'm going to use the different color because it's obscure. Minute, and then 12, and then 12 multiplied by 5 equals 60, so 5k units. So what is larger? Still, quantity A is larger than quantity B. So the answer should be A. So how was the question, guys? As I always emphasize, translation and analysis, analyzing of the question is very important. So at the beginning of the lecture, I said it's related to arithmetic, but from now on, I want to mention, or I want to name these types of question in a different way. So I'm going to write down like the velocity question, because anyway, they are asking us about the velocity, time, and then the quantity of, or the number of the product. So anyway, whatever the question is asking us, it's the same way, because the product equals velocity multiplied by time, or distance equals velocity multiplied by time. That's it, guys. And if the content was beneficial for you guys, please click the subscription and like button, because it's very, very beneficial for me to make the next video as an intrinsic motivation. Thank you, guys, and should you have any further question, please let me know anytime, and have a great day, guys.